In this video, we'll look at how to add a production person to an assembly, an exciting feature designed to make production job management simpler, more transparent, and more efficient. For many production teams, assigning jobs and tracking who's responsible can be a challenge. You might be relying on spreadsheets, emails, or even sticky notes to keep track of tasks and who's responsible for what, making it harder to see workload distribution, monitor progress, or ensure accountability. With our production person field in Assemblies and Assembly Kanban, you can assign each assembly job to a specific production staff member, improve workload visibility by seeing who's working on what in real time, and streamline processes and reduce the need for external tracking tools. Let's get into the demo. The first step is to add your production members into Unleashed. To do this, navigate to Settings, System, and Production Persons. From here, you can add their name and email, and using this tick box to mark them obsolete if required. Once that's done, you can assign them directly in an assembly. In View Assemblies, you can filter by production persons in the hidden columns and in the production persons drop-down filter option. But here's the exciting part. In the Assembly Kanban view, you can assign, change, or remove a production person straight from the job card itself. Just click the name area, select the person, and it's instantly updated. It's quick, it's visual, and it looks awesome. Perfect for the on-the-fly job allocation without breaking your workflow. The production person field in Assemblies is a simple yet powerful way to manage job assignments and improve visibility across your production team, helping you deliver faster, work smarter, and stay in control. For more tips and tutorials, visit the Unleashed Academy or check out our help files. Thanks for watching.